Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we update you with the recent important legal developments across the nation. Here are the headlines. Supreme Court refuses urgent hearing on plea against internet ban in Manipur. Supreme Court grants anticipatory bail to Muslim doctor accused of love jihad. Supreme Court seeks UP government response on bail plea of man above 80 years of age jailed for selling adulterated milk in 1981. Delhi Court grants interim relief to AAP MP Raghav Chadha, directs no disposition from Lutyens Delhi Bunglow until pendency of application. Bombay High Court extends interim protection from arrest to Sameer Wankhede in Cordelia bribery case. Now let's take a detailed look at the headlines. The Supreme Court refused to hear the plea by two Manipur residents against the repeated internet shutdowns since May 3rd in the state, rocked by ethnic violence. The vacation bench of the Apex Court, comprising Justices Aniruddha Bose and Rajesh Bindal, said the High Court is hearing the matter. What's the need to duplicate proceedings? While directing the petitioners to mention the matter before a regular bench. The state government has extended the ban on internet services in Manipur till June 10th, which was challenged in the plea, calling it grossly disproportionate and interfering with the constitutional rights of the people in the state. The shutdown is an effect of the ethnic violence that broke out due to the order for consideration to include the Methi community in the ST list of the state. The Supreme Court granted interim protection from arrest to one Dr. Abdul Qadir, a Muslim doctor accused of raping a Hindu woman on the pretext of marriage. The counsel for the victim objected to the anticipatory bail granted to the accused and submitted that the man is a crorepati, while also contending that this is a case of love jihad. The woman claims that the accused Qadir portrayed himself as a Hindu man, allegedly stating his name as Kabir. The counsel for the accused, however, said that the complainant's lawyer is turning out a case of love into an incident of love jihad. The pre-arrest bail was denied to the accused from the Allahabad High Court, after which he approached the Apex Court. Justices Aniruddha Bose and Rajesh Bindal, after hearing submissions from the doctor's counsel, granted interim protection to the accused from arrest until the next date of hearing, in the case that was registered in Muradabad, UP. A vacation bench of the Supreme Court, comprising Justices Aniruddha Bose and Rajesh Bindal, sought the response of the Uttar Pradesh government on a bail plea of an octogenarian man, meaning aging 80 years and above, convicted for selling adulterated milk 38 years ago in the year 1981. The trial court convicted the accused Virendra Singh under the Prevention of Food Adulteration Act of 1954 in September 1981 and awarded him 1 year of rigorous imprisonment while also imposing a fine of Rs 2,000. The said order was challenged in the Bulandshahr Sessions Court, which upheld the trial court order. Singh then moved the Allahabad High Court, and in 2013, the conviction was upheld, but the term was reduced to 6 months of rigorous imprisonment with Rs 2,000 fine. Singh was on bail for nearly 4 decades, but a decade after the High Court order, he surrendered before the trial court in April 2023. He was arrested and sent to jail. The counsel for Singh conceded there was a delay of 10 years in filing an appeal with the Supreme Court, but it was not intentional, as the convict was not aware of the order passed by the High Court, and he only got to know about the said order in April 2023, following a non-bailable arrest warrant issued by the trial court against him. The bench of the top court noted that it cannot pass an ex parte order and issued a notice to the state government seeking its response in the matter. A Delhi court granted an interim relief to the Aam Aadmi Party MP Raghav Chadha, while directing the Rajya Sabha Secretariat to not dispossess him from a Type 7 bungalow in Lutyens, Delhi. These bungalows are allotted to lawmakers who have been former chief ministers, or governors. According to the Rajya Sabha Members' Handbook released in April 2022, Chadha is entitled to a Type 5 accommodation. However, Chadha was allotted a Type 6 bungalow at Pandara Park. He then made a representation to the chairman of Rajya Sabha in August last year, requesting for a Type 7 accommodation. He was then allotted another bungalow on Pandara Road from the Rajya Sabha pool. In March 2023, the allotment, however, was cancelled. Chadha sought an injunction against the order of the RS Secretariat and also sought monetary damages of Rs 5.5 lakhs. Additional District Judge Sudhanshu Kaushik fixed the matter for July 10th for order and had in April directed the Secretariat to not dispossess Chadha till pendency of the application. The High Court of Bombay extended interim protection of arrest granted to Narcotics Control Bureau former director Sameer Wankhede in the case registered against him by the CBI for alleged extortion and bribery. According to the CBI, Wankhede and 4 other accused demanded Rs 25 crores in bribe from Bollywood actor Shah Rukh Khan for not implicating his son Aryan Khan following the seizure of drugs from the Cordelia cruise ship on which Aryan and several others were partying in October 2021. A division bench of the High Court comprising Justices A.S. Gadkari and S.G. Dighe will hear on June 23rd the plea filed by Wankhede for quashing the said CBI case. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum. And subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.